Hello and welcome to Mindful Eating. Here's another very quick video. We've all had hummus before. I'm going to be doing a very light snack that you can have. Hummus is sold in supermarkets and everywhere you go, hummus is there in restaurants. And here I have just one tin of chickpea. I'll say roughly maybe 2 teaspoons full, no, more than 2 teaspoons full. I'd say maybe about half a cup of oil in here. We've got some garlic and chili seasoning. We've got some clove of garlic, and we also have some sea salt in here. I'm going to blitz all of this up, as you can see clearly. And then what's going to happen once I've done that, I'm just going to toast these pita bread slices here. This is coriander oil and a bit of sea salt. I'm going to show you this like that. We're going to griddle this in the frying pan, and we are going to quickly do that in a few minutes, and I'll show you the end product. And I'm going to serve it with a little dollop of Greek yogurt. So stay tuned. So here we are. This is the hummus. So I'm just going to basically blitz this down in all in the ingredients that I mentioned earlier, and then I'm going to start putting the pita bread that's here. If you can see it clearly, just here, pita bread. I'm going to griddle that in the frying pan for a couple of minutes, and then I'll show you the finished product. Stay tuned. So as you can see, these are lightly griddling on the stove. I'm just going to basically show you in a few minutes how to a serving suggestion how to do it. 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to quickly show you how to serve it. Stay tuned. Okay, and here is the hummus dish. It's a very light snack. You can have it for breakfast or even in the evening if you're friends. I know hummus is something that most people have, but at the end of the day, it's always a quick snack for everyone. I'm just going to show you the pita bread that I did. All I did was added a bit of oil, it was coriander oil, so olive oil, coriander, and I've sprinkled some sea salt, and here is a dollop of yogurt. I hope this recipe encourages someone today to get into the kitchen and prepare great food. Thank you for watching Mindful Eating, and I hope this recipe was easy for everyone to understand. Thank you for watching. Coriander and lemon hummus served with coriander and coriander oil pita bread sticks. Wonderful, quick recipe for everyone to try today. I hope someone will try this recipe today.